Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Duolingo account and start learning a new language, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download the Duolingo app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the Duolingo website on your computer. The app and website offer the same core features. Step 2. Open Duolingo and click on Get Started or Sign Up. You'll be asked to select the language you want to learn from dozens of available options. Step 3. Choose your target language and select your reason for learning, such as for school, work, travel, or personal interest. This helps Duolingo personalize your learning experience. Step 4. Set your daily learning goal by choosing how much time you want to spend practicing each day. Options typically range from casual 5 minutes to intense 20 minutes or more. Step 5. Choose whether you want to start from scratch or take a placement test to determine your current skill level. Beginners should start from the beginning, while those with some knowledge can test out of basic lessons. Step 6. Create your account by providing your email address and creating a password, or sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account for faster registration. Step 7. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. This ensures your account is secure and your progress is saved. Step 8. Customize your profile by adding a profile picture and username. You can also connect with friends to make language learning more social and motivating. Step 9. Enable push notifications if you want daily reminders to practice. Duolingo's mascot, the green owl Duo, will send friendly reminders to help you maintain your streak. Step 10. Start your first lesson and explore the Duolingo interface. Complete exercises, earn experience points, and unlock new levels as you progress in your language journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.